Hello, Leos. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are lighting up your zones of relationships, creativity, and self-expression. Let's dive into how you can shine even brighter during this dynamic period. This is a powerful time to focus on partnerships, both personal and professional. The Sun, your ruling planet, encourages collaboration and mutual support. Strengthen bonds by showing appreciation and addressing any unresolved issues with honesty and warmth. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, bringing lucky breaks in teamwork or networking. Trust your natural charisma to make meaningful connections. Mid-month also boosts your creative energy. Whether it's through art, projects, or simply sharing your ideas, let your vibrant spirit lead the way. Romance flourishes under these cosmic vibes. If single, you may attract someone who admires your confidence. Couples should prioritize fun and adventure to keep the spark alive. As May 25th approaches, Mars ignites your home and family sector. Address domestic matters with patience and create a nurturing space for yourself and loved ones. This energy also calls for emotional grounding. Take moments to recharge when needed. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging routines and comfort zones. Embrace change while staying true to your core values. Your leadership skills will help you navigate any turbulence. Remember, Leo, your radiant energy inspires everyone around you. Share your gifts generously, but don't forget to honor your own needs. Stay confident, trust your instincts, and let your light guide you forward. The universe supports your journey toward growth and connection. Roar with purpose. You've got this, Leo.